Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working my way through an old book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. I am up to program number 40, Whiz 4 First Alphabet Spotter. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Each has a number. For instance, number 1 is A, number 20 is T. This Whiz program has the computer ask you for a number from 1 to 26 and then, faster than a jackrabbit, tell you what letter it goes with. Naturally, you'll know how it works, but to your non-computer friends it will seem like the computer is a genius. Okay, very short program. That's all she wrote. Yep, let's go ahead and get typing. Get into TI Basic and our Classic 99 emulator. 10 call clear. 20 print, give me the number of. 30 print, a letter from the alphabet. 40 input from 1 to 26. Okay, let's do it exactly as typed. Okay. I'll do it exactly as typed. There's no colon there. And we're going to call that N. Okay. We skipped line 60 for some reason. 60. X equals N plus 64. I think we're converting it into an ASCII code. 70 print. 75 print. 80 print. Letter number. Space. Okay, we've got semicolon, N semicolon. Quote, space is space. Then we have semicolon, CHR, dollar sign or CHR string, the ASCII code X. Okay, 90 print. 100 print, and 110 go to 20. Okay, let's clear the screen, list out the entire program, looking for any obvious typos. So the crucial line here, I think, is line 60. It takes the letter number and the position of the alphabet and converts it to an ASCII code. So when we get down here to line 80, the CHR string takes that ASCII code and gives you the letter corresponding to it. Okay, well, let's do 26. Letter number 26 is Z. All right, let's do the check the edges here. 1 is A. So 20 is T, is that right? Yep. 15, O, 18. Looks like it's working fine. And if we get outside the range, you know, we're going to get something weird like, I don't know, 37. Yeah, see, that's... So it probably should have put some boundary conditions on this. Let's break the program, run it one more time. Let's do, I don't know, 14. There we go. We could test them all, actually. 1, 2. Of course, they're all going to work, but it's kind of fun just to do. 4, 5, 6. That's F. 7 is G. 8 is H. 9 is I. 10, 11, It's K, 12, it's L, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. 26 is Z. There we go. All right. Well, this is a not terribly interesting program, but it does take a position of a letter in the alphabet from 1 to 26, converts it to an ASCII code, and then generates that letter for you without some boundary conditions, which probably should have been added. In any case, thank you for watching this. If you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, or under my Twitch handle, CozyAzeroth. For lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming. I'm working on programming a retro game in Pico 8 right now. You can find examples of that on my YouTube channel, along with lots of World of Warcraft live streaming and miscellaneous educational content on topics of interest to me, both personally and professionally. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out my Twitch channel as well. You can find it under CozyAzeroth. And if you're watching this live on Twitch right now and see a couple people watching, be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the above as well. And in any case, I appreciate likes and follows and subscriptions, especially subscriptions, which really do help me out in these difficult financial times. Thank you very much, and I will be back soon with the next video in this series.